we gonna unboxing little low track. Finally it's here. Hi, so I'm gonna unboxing this little low track brand. Here I just speed it up because it's just unboxing stuff, and then it's way easier when everything is out for you to see what we got from them. We got a carry code, we got 2 wheels and the frame. We also got a foot muff, handy bag. I think the bag is extra, so it's like $30 or $40. And this one is cup, of course the instruction books, and rain cover. All right, let's build it. What you need to do in here, pretty much just put those wheels together in a frame and the belly bar. That's it, because everything else is ready to use, so you don't have to put the other things together. Other things that I noticed is not everything is on the manual book or the instruction book. Something like the cup holder or the foot muff, how to install the handlebar bag. So you just have to guess where it makes sense to be. The reason why I got this, because I've been thinking to go back to running, and then it's got 3 wheels. People say it's much easier to run with it, and then it's easier to go outdoor as well. And what I love about this Pram is this handle, because me and my husband height is so much different, and then the handlebar it's just uncomfy. I mean, lower than him or something like that, and then you can adjust it in here. It's good. And then the main things that I love is, look at the storage space. It's just huge. I think I can put my baby underneath it if I want. And this, you can move it and change it to the carry cot, and then put it back, and then easy to adjust the footrest as well. Hey baby boo, you wanna stay in here? I need to watch little YouTube video because I couldn't figure out how to fold this pram, and it's not on the instruction book either. Gonna need a little help.
So first there's like a little bevel thing you have to push in there, but then the whole thing kind of pulls back. Then once you've done that one, tilt it up, get the front wheel off the ground, then pull this one back. See this here, the whole thing?
Yes.
The whole clip. Pull it back.
More compact. It's definitely lighter than the previous Pram. What? It's not locked.
Remember the lock socks?
Yeah, it's a bit weird design. You need to clip it before you gotta lift it.